Hi there, I'm Brian Daly from Dawson Creek, British Columbia. For here, I did box liners, spraying box liners, some paint work, auto painter by trade, managed a detail shop. So I found Ding King on the internet, searching up Paintless Dent Repair. I was really interested in wondering what it involved and how extensive the training was. I found Ding King and called them up and talked to Mike, and it was just a great experience right from the very start. First day here, we started on some old damaged hoods. Learned taking out dents and taking out the high spots that you put in the hood. It was kind of nice to damage the hoods and then fix them. Now we're on to real vehicles here, and definitely have to be a lot more diligent and aware of what you're doing and where you're pushing. I'm super glad that I came to Ding King. Everybody here has been really welcoming and awesome. All the tools are here. It's nice to have hands-on with the tools that we'll be taking home, getting comfortable with them, and just enjoying my time here in California. After I'm done here, I'm gonna go home. I wanna start my own business and offer this great service and to everyone around town, and hopefully it blows up. Thank you, Ding King.